Okay, here it goes. So I'm going to go to this photo grid, and then I am going to go to template. That's what I usually do. And then after you do a few, you're going to have my work over here. So here's my different templates. So if I'm just going to do one picture, I'll go there. But let me start all over. I'm going to go to layout, and I'm going to show you the card I just did. So this one will take your picture, that whatever image you choose, and make it the whole square. And where ours is a rectangle, it's not just not going to be the whole thing. So I'm going to click on that, click plus. Now it's going to go to my photo album from my phone. It's being obnoxious. Okay, so I'm going to go back to that. Sorry, I'm not going to make you watch the scrolling. Because this has been about a year since I did this, so I have to go quite a ways back. Okay. Sorry. I have to find it. Okay, there we go. So I have it down here, and so this one I've just selected the one, and then I'm going to hit done. So now I have the picture. So I can you can make them bigger or smaller by just moving your fingers together or away. So I'm going to make it smaller so we just get that piece. And then you would hit text right down there. Do you see that? This text. And then you're just going to type in whatever you want. So my business page on Facebook is called Just a Farm Girl Chalkin'. So that's what I had done. Hit the done, and then it's going to give you, a big one. So I'm just going to make it smaller, and I can move. I moved the side here longer so that my box, my text box was bigger. And then from here I can change the color. So I actually want this to be black. I could go back here and edit it, and so I can make changes there. Done. So then if I wanted to add like my my website, I would hit, I'm going to go back, so I hit the X, I'm going to hit back text, and then it gets me back to there. So then you could go www, well, www dot so and so on. Do the same thing, hit done, make it smaller, whatever size you want. So that's how I would do that. So I just started with the picture. So the picture I had sent you, you could save it into your photo album and then start with the blank one. If I decide I don't really want this, see where I have the red X, I can take that out. And if I click on this, I can take it out again. But I do want to show you something else. So now that that's done, I'm going to hit next. Then you get ads. I hit the X up there. So now it's going to save it. Now I'm going to go back into my photo albums, and there is the one that I just saved. So I'm going to hit edit, and then this cropping box down here, and then you can see the white lines here. You can make this the size that you want. Okay, and then I'm going to hit done, and it's saved just that now. So now I'm going to show you how to add this to a picture, because I do have a picture. If I run out of juice, I can see both of my phones are running out. If I run out, then I will do another video. And actually, I want to do a couple of videos for you, so to show you how to use that magic eraser sometime too. So I'm going to go back to the photo grid. I do want to exit out of this and just start over. So exit without saving changes. Exit, because I already have saved that other one. So, and if I go back here to my works, there's my the one I just did. So I'm going to go and start a new one, and I want one picture that's most of the page. So this was my live earlier today. I did the Watts of Love. So I just made, I can make this bigger, I can make it smaller. You can turn them however you want to do it. So I like to have it kind of off. There's also a thing here that says photo grid. I click on that and usually take it out. Now I'm going to add that image that I just, well, I'll add my image, but go over here. So this is where we added the text. I'm going to go farther over and add image. Now here's the one I just did for you. So I could pick that one, but I'm actually going to put my own. So I'm going to go back to my albums. I have saved it under its own album. And so, let's see. Oh, let me go back. Sorry, I did that so fast. Cancel. I'm going to take this out. I went too fast for you, sorry. Image. Go get my image. And I just clicked it, I guess. I didn't have to click anything else. So as soon as I hit the image, it comes back. And I can make this, I'm going to move this over a little bit. I can make this as big or as little as I want. And I'm going to make it big so I can show you. I did the same type of situation with this is the Facebook, this is Instagram and YouTube. So I have a channel on each one of those. So like I just took a picture of the little YouTube icon and saved it into my photos and then just added it onto this, what I was just showing you how to do. So that's how I got all of that on there. But I'm going to make this smaller and put it up on the top because I have it kind of going wonky there. Now, it kind of looks plain. So I'm going to click off of that. Then I'm going to click here, but I want to go back to backgrounds. So I don't pay for my backgrounds, but sometimes like you'll get this little, you see that? The little blue arrow, so I could get that one now. But I'm going to go to one of these ones I already have. I'm going to go to this one. I seem to like that. But there's some others. That one's kind of wild for this. Here's another one I like to grab. So here's my picture, and then I just put a background on it. This one's a wild one too. But so I just put the gray background. I'm going to click this check mark because then that other image I'd added is right there too. So there you go. And I did get a low battery. I will do another video for you so that I'll probably tomorrow, maybe not Gonzaga Place. I'm in Spokane and we go to the Gonzaga game. So sometime this next week, through the weekend, I'll do a video showing you how to do the magic eraser.